G'day everybody, welcome back to another episode crafted by Tim, and welcome to day 2 of the forging press, hydraulic press thing. Mini hydraulic press thing. Today, I'm hoping that we can finish up the frame, shouldn't take too long, and start working on the center bit. I honestly don't know what to call them. I have to look at a diagram and see whether or not they actually have a name. That's what we're going to be working on today. It's a little bit windy, and as you can probably tell by the sky, it's currently quite overcast, and it will probably start raining in a little bit. So I am kind of worried about that, considering that we have a lot of welding to do today. So that's a little bit concerning. Hopefully we can get some of it done, but I guess we'll just see how we go. I don't want to use the welder out in the rain. It's probably not the best idea. But anyway, let's get to it. Okay, so a little bit of an update, because chances are you didn't see anything from that last little segment there, because apparently taping a welding lens to the front of the camera doesn't allow you to see anything. But anyway, this is as far as I've gotten so far. Currently the welder is overheated again, so getting close. Welds still look like crap, but I think they're getting a little bit better. But yeah, that's the basic frame done. Alright, so that's the last of them. So now I gotta clean them all up, stack them up in groups of 5, and weld them together like that, and use these to line the edges. Or the ends, I should say. I think this will work. This is still very hot, but as you can see, I've got some fast ones here. A bit of good patch there. Anyway, I'm still learning. I haven't done arc welding since last year sometime, and it wasn't very much. But you know what? I think I'm actually starting to pick it up again. I'm starting to get the hang of it. Okay, so this is the other side. Don't know about that part, but this one's not too bad. Anyway, for the most part, this is actually going pretty good. I've got just these 2 more to go, and then I can clean the entire thing, make sure that it's all nice and flat, and then I'll try and round over one of the sides so it sits into the angle line a little bit better, because the angle line has a sort of a radius inside the angle. So this is the angle line. As you can see, it's not like perfect 90 degrees, there's a bit of an angle there. Anyway, just going to take that off. Well, take that off of that. And I know I shouldn't be using like my nice flat surface that I stole off a scroll saw to weld on, because you know it can get damaged and then I end up with pitting and then it's no longer a nice flat surface. But as of right now, it's like my only nice flat piece of steel that I can weld onto, sort of use as a welding table. Anyway, but I'll also have to trim these all up so they all have matching size. Anyway, I think that's pretty well where I'm going to leave it today. Got a good bit of progress done. Hopefully tomorrow morning I'm going to be able to weld up the... I figured out what they're called. So the one that moves is the ram and the other one is called the anvil, the plates that I'm making right now. So the one that I'm working on right now, I should probably do the one that moves first. And I have to make sure that I put that one in first. Otherwise, I'm not going to be able to put it in, because I have to weld the other one on so it doesn't move like at all. And I might even see about putting some bolts through it, like going all the way through. That might help. Otherwise, I think, yeah. Anyway, I'm going to see about finishing welding up the ram, and then start welding up the anvil. I've got a little bit of work to do when it comes to these. These are my threaded inserts. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to have two of these. These are 3/8 inch threaded inserts. I tried rounding over the corners of one to hopefully try and get it down to about 12.5 millimeters, because that happens to be the biggest size drill bit that I have. So I have to get these just a little bit smaller, and I need 4 of them about that size. I don't know how long they are, but nonetheless, what I'm going to do is I'm going to insert these 2 into the ram, 2 into the anvil, and that way I can have interchangeable dies. I think that will be quite a helpful little investment of time, and yeah, hopefully that's going to be worth it. In other news, I'm about to run out of battery, so I think that's pretty well it. Hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Stay safe, happy crafting, and as always, cheers. Hopefully I can finish most of it tomorrow, aside from maybe a paint job, which I'll talk to my brother about what he wants to do. Anyway, see ya.